Okay guys, welcome to my kitchen, welcome to my page. Yes, happy Thursday. So today we are starting our day in my kitchen. We are starting our business in my kitchen with beans. So I'm going to boil these beans. First of all, I will parboil these beans, wash it off before I can place it on a high what is it called, pressure pot. Yes, I will put it on a pressure pot while I cook these beans. I usually serve these beans with rice, white rice, stew, and also fried plantain. You know that Niger style, Niger mama put. Yes, that's how I prepare these beans. Okay, so right now I'm going to parboil the beans. After parboiling the beans, I will wash up the water before I can place it on high pressure pot. First I can start cooking it. Yes, this is what I'm going to do this morning. I have a lot of things to do today. I have afan soup to prepare. I have other things to prepare as well, but I'm going to start with this. So I said, let me carry you guys along. Let me show you how I'm starting my business today, being Thursday of October 2015. Okay, this place is very hot these days. Malaysia is very hot. Even though I'm putting on this, I'm still feeling very good. You can see that I'm sweating. So the weather is really hot. I hope everybody out there is doing great and lovely. All right, I will keep you guys posted later. Okay. Yeah, you can see what I have here. This is my flat tummy water. This is mint leaf, ginger, lemon, and cucumber sliced together, put in a bowl and pour some water inside depending on the amount of water you want to put. It doesn't cost anything. Mint leaf is very cheap. Mint leaf, okay, not scent leaf. Then you just add sliced cucumber, slice lemon, and also blend the ginger. You can also slice the ginger. Okay, then you pour water inside, leave it to ferment overnight. You can prepare it in the evening or in the night, leave it till tomorrow morning. Then in the morning you just filter it, filter it and pour them inside a bottle water like this. Then you can use it. It doesn't, the taste is very okay. Even when you have hangover, maybe you after jolly and drink, you understand, hangover, if you take this drink, the way the hangover will just clear in your system. It's very good for detoxification. It's very powerful. The more you drink it, you go into urinate. In fact, you'll be feeling it like something is going out from your body. It's very good for your tummy, burns tummy fat like magic, and also your hip line. You see, all these places can visit, especially when you're on your weight loss journey. If you take this water, it works like magic. Try it. Some of you that struggles for tummy fat, belly fat, just give it a try. It does not cost money to prepare. So after it, come back and thank me later. I say make I show you the video. Okay, I'll be adding salt, Maggi, and also onion as well. So we are going to cover the pot. If you not get pressure pot, you can also use your regular pot. But this one cook it more faster than regular pot. So now I'm going to place the pot on fire and allow it to cook for like, depends, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Then the beans will be ready. Welcome back. Our beans is ready. Our beans is ready. This is another one. Let's have a quick taste. This is delicious. So you can eat it white rice. You can also eat like this. You can make porridge from here. Add plantain, and how you want it. Looks nice, delicious, I think. So you can even eat it like that, direct like that. Yes. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video.